Dekalb Tool and Die was incorporated just east of Atlanta, Georgia in 1968. Since then, Dekalb has grown into a well-recognized, well-respected, award-winning, ISO-registered supplier to the metalworking industry.
I think the evolution of the business is one of the things I'm proud of. The fact that we started off as a small tool and die shop. We ended up from 2 employees now to probably, with the temporaries, we've got upwards of 100 people working in both plants.
Today, Dekalb is a full-service die shop and stamping facility, offering everything from design to production to 5-axis laser.
We have the capabilities of helping you design the part. Then we can design tooling to make that part.
My focus is to take the details from the die designs so we can make a working component so we can use in the dies. We have 2 seats of VZ. That is a CAD software that we use to do our die design. We also have 2 seats of Mastercam. That is a CAD CAM software that we use to create cutter paths.
And then on our tool room, we've got a variety of CNC mills and boring mills, CNC lathe, and then of course all the manual mills and lathes and grinders involved in making tooling.
At Dekalb, we are equipped and have the experience to build tooling and stamp parts of all sizes, from as large as a bathtub to as small as a Band-Aid. We have produced progressive dies, draw dies, line dies, and transfer dies that stamp parts for almost every industry: automotive, heavy truck and bus, outdoor products, HVAC, lighting, recreation, power tools, hand tools, satellite communication, home goods, and commercial refrigeration.
We have the capabilities of helping you design the part. Then we can design tooling to make that part. Then we can stamp that part for you.
We've got 22 presses that run from 60 ton to 1,800 tons for stamping out sheet metal parts, a 1,000-ton hydraulic press.
In the metal stamping industry, breakdowns and emergency repair are not uncommon. Dekalb is fully staffed and equipped to meet the challenges of these critical situations. From regional pickup and delivery on our own fleet of flatbed and dry van trucks up to 40,000 pounds, to reverse engineering broken components, to machining, wire EDM, and in-house heat treat capability, all the way to press tryout and CMM inspection. But our greatest strength is our people.
We have some very loyal employees who've been here for 20, 30 years.
I've been here for 34 years. Over the years, actually it's a pleasure working here. The people around here are real nice. The environment is really good.
I think one of our strengths as a company is we've got an engineering team and a team of tool makers that you take them and couple them with an ISO 9001 certified production team. We build as quality a tool as you can buy in the industry and have a history of service. We stand behind our product.